Hi, I'm Pudifalal. Today we will discuss about the last topic of the chapter microorganism of standard 8. The last topic is nitrogen cycle. We know that the nitrogen stored in the air. This is the storehouse of the air. Almost 78% nitrogen present within the air. Not a single living organism can utilize this nitrogen, or they cannot capture the atmospheric nitrogen directly. Only few microscopic organism or the microorganism can utilize this. Now, atmospheric nitrogen means the nitrogen present in the atmosphere. It means almost the 78% nitrogen present within the atmosphere. Some microscopic organism like the symbiotic bacteria, we know that in the leguminous plant root, some symbiotic bacteria like rhizobium present, which forms the nodal shaped structure, and this bacteria rhizobium can absorb the atmospheric nitrogen directly from the atmosphere and mix with the soil. Clear? Similarly, the blue-green algae also able to fix the atmospheric nitrogen with the soil. So the process by which atmospheric nitrogen are going to be mixed with the soil, that known as a nitrogen assimilation or nitrogen fixation. So natural way is by the use of some microscopic organism. It may be the symbiotic bacteria like rhizobium or the blue-green algae. And the another one, that is the during the lightning, the atmospheric nitrogen may react with the oxygen or absorb the water droplets from the nitric acid, and this nitric acid may fall on the soil as a rain. That will also increase the nitrogen in the soil. So the addition of nitrogen, that is known as a nitrogen fixation. Even the farmers using the different types of nitrogenous fertilizer, that also adding the nitrogen with the soil, that known as a nitrogen fixation. Now we know that the plant root absorbing the water and the minerals from the soil, may some amount of nitrogenous compound present within the soil that are going to be absorbed by the plant root. Now the plant, by the use of photosynthesis, they will prepare their own food. And maybe some minerals are going to be used, or maybe some minerals are going to be stored. So the atmospheric nitrogen first fixed within the soil, nitrogenous compound of the nitrates. Second, this nitrogenous compound are going to be absorbed by the plant, and they are utilizing this component, water and the minerals, during the photosynthesis. Now, these minerals may help for the growth of the plant or may stored within the food. Now, we know that we are the consumers. We are consuming the food from the plant. So, these minerals or the storage nitrogens may enter into our body. We know that the food chain, eating and being eaten within the ecosystem, that known as a food chain. So plants protein like the plants food, like the protein means pulses, different type of pulses. Now may some amount of nitrogen stored within the food. Now these due to the ecological balance or due to the food chain, this may be consuming by the defined level of animals. So the nitrogen travel to our body, which are help to form our body structure. Now after the death of the living organism, they then decay. Now our body will be decomposed within the soil. May some symbiotic organism are going to be decomposed. Our body and breaks down into the smallest part. Now during this, the ammonium salt or ammonification will take place. The nitrates will convert it into the ammonia. Now some ammonia may able to form the nitrites by the process of nitrification, and which can increase the nitrates in the soil. Or this ammonia by the help of this ammonia first convert into the nitrites, and by the help of denitrifying bacteria. Denitrifying means the discharging of nitrogen compounds from the soil to the atmosphere. The example of denitrifying bacteria is Pseudomonas, Theobacillus, all are the denitrifying bacteria. They can discharging the nitrate compound from the soil to the environment. This type of rotation of nitrogen from atmosphere to the soil, from soil to the plant, from plant to the animals, then get back into the soil, and from soil they are going to be released into the atmosphere, which may help to maintain the amount of nitrogen into the air. These are known as a nitrogen circle. If you have any doubt, you can ask.